What is the Uniform Lifetime Table for Retirement, RMDS? Imagine having a clear map to help you figure out how much money you need to take out of your retirement accounts each year. That's what the Uniform Lifetime Table provides. It's a tool used by retirees to calculate their required minimum distributions, or RMDS, from accounts like traditional individual retirement accounts and 401(k) plans. RMDs are the minimum amounts the IRS requires you to withdraw once you reach a certain age, usually at 73 or 75, depending on your birth year. The goal is to make sure your tax-deferred savings are taxed eventually. The table gives a number called a life expectancy factor based on your age. This number helps you figure out how much you need to withdraw. The formula is simple. Take your account balance as of December 31 of the previous year and divide it by the life expectancy factor for your current age. For example, if you turned 76 this year and your account had $100,000 at the end of last year, you'd look up the factor for age 76, which is 23.7. Dividing $100,000 by 23.7 gives you about $4,219. That's the minimum you need to take out this year. The IRS updates this table periodically to reflected changes in average life expectancy. Most retirees, especially those who are unmarried or whose spouses are not more than 10 years younger, will use this table. If your spouse is more than 10 years younger and is your sole beneficiary, a different table might apply, but for most, the Uniform Lifetime Table is the standard. From a budgeting point of view, knowing your RMD helps you plan your cash flow. Since these withdrawals are taxable, you want to include them in your overall tax strategy. As you age, the life expectancy factor decreases, which means your RMDs tend to grow larger each year. This can impact your spending plans, so it's good to be prepared. You can use the table to estimate your yearly RMDs and make sure your retirement income covers your expenses. If the RMDs are larger than expected, you might need to adjust your savings or spending. Managing these withdrawals wisely helps you avoid penalties for missing RMDs and keeps your tax situation on track. Understanding how to use the Uniform Lifetime Table makes managing your retirement income easier. It provides a straightforward way to stay compliant with IRS rules and plan your financial future with confidence.